Is Panasonic OLED TV good? Let's find out. Yes, Panasonic OLED TVs are highly regarded, especially for their exceptional picture quality and color accuracy. They are a favorite among movie enthusiasts and professionals who value precise color reproduction and deep blacks, thanks to the self-emissive OLED panel technology. Panasonic's higher-end OLED models often feature advanced processors like the HCX Pro Intelligent Processor, which enhances image quality and delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Additionally, Panasonic OLED TVs excel in HDR performance, offering excellent contrast and brightness levels for cinematic experiences. However, they may not be as bright as Samsung's QLED TVs, making them better suited for dimly lit rooms. While Panasonic OLED TVs are more expensive than some competitors, their premium build quality and focus on accuracy make them worth the investment for discerning viewers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.